What is a motorcycle vacuum leak? Have you ever wondered why your motorcycle might be running rough or idling high? One common issue could be a vacuum leak. So, what exactly is a motorcycle vacuum leak? It occurs when unintended air enters the engine's intake system. This disrupts the air-fuel mixture needed for proper combustion. When the engine creates vacuum pressure during intake strokes, it can draw in air through cracks, loose connections, or worn seals. This extra air leads to a lean condition, where there is not enough fuel for the amount of air, causing performance problems. Several key components can be affected by vacuum leaks. The rubber intake boots are a frequent culprit. These are the rubber parts connecting the carburetors or throttle bodies to the engine. Over time, they can age, crack, or become brittle. Another area to check is the throttle shaft seals in carburetors. If these seals wear out, they can allow air to bypass closed throttle plates. Additionally, leaks can occur in vacuum-operated fuel pumps or their connecting hoses. Symptoms of a vacuum leak can vary, but some common signs include a high idle speed. If you notice your engine revving higher than normal when at rest, that could be a clue. You might also experience delayed throttle response, where the engine RPMs hang after you close the throttle. Rough idling or stalling can happen due to irregular combustion from the lean mixture. Backfiring is another symptom, as excess air can lead to burned fuel igniting in the exhaust. Hard starting, especially in cold conditions, is also a telltale sign. Diagnosing a vacuum leak can be straightforward. Start with a visual inspection. Look for cracked boots, loose clamps, or grime buildup that might indicate where air is leaking. A spray test can also be helpful. While the engine is running, spray carburetor cleaner or starting fluid around suspected areas. If the RPMs rise, you have found a leak. You can also gently wiggle hoses, boots, or throttle shafts during idle. If you notice RPM fluctuations, that can pinpoint the leak. Fixing a vacuum leak often involves replacing degraded rubber components like intake boots and seals. Tightening clamps can help ensure airtight connections between intake parts. Upgrading throttle shaft seals from felt seals to O-rings can improve longevity and reduce leaks. To prevent vacuum leaks, regularly inspect intake components for signs of dryness or cracking, especially on older motorcycles. Address minor leaks as soon as possible to avoid engine damage from prolonged lean operation. Vacuum leaks are a common issue in motorcycle maintenance and can often be overlooked. Proper diagnosis and timely repairs can ensure your engine performs optimally and help you avoid costly repairs down the line. If your motorcycle exhibits erratic idling or hesitation, start with a simple spray test around the intake system. Early detection can save you time and keep your ride smooth.